Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Rebecca. I upload every Wednesday and every Sunday, and I normally upload like beauty, fashion, routine videos, and occasionally I upload vlogs as well because you guys seem to love them. So subscribe if you aren't already and click the bell button to be notified each time I upload. So welcome to a new vlog, and today I've been to work and now I'm going out for a meal with Dad and my sister and her friends and my dad's girlfriends. So I've just done my makeup. I actually need to upload a video today, but it will be uploaded late because it is Wednesday today. It's Wednesday the, I don't know what day it is, but I'm going to show you my outfit. My top is from Safal. These trousers are from Zara. My belt, I'm not really sure where that's from. Don't know where my necklace is from either, but I got it as a graduation present. And then these earrings are from Glitter, which is a shop in Sweden. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing, and I'm gonna go now because I'm gonna drive and we're gonna have a Thai buffet. I hope there's a buffet anyway. So there was a Thai buffet. I've got some veggie spring rolls and some sushi and some noodles and rice. Yeah. We're at a pub now because Dad's gonna watch the English game. Yeah, I ordered a nice coffee and we're gonna try it out.
Shall I film me drinking it?
If you want to.
And I have to start recording.
I'm gonna start. It's already recording, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Let's put some sugar in it. On the menu they had a caramel one, but I didn't see that. Quite good. So it's England versus Croatia today, and we're doing a music quiz, and look what we named our group. Well, Dad named it that. It's coming home. It's the next day. It's Thursday, the 12th of July. I've been to work today. I worked until 4, so it was quite a long day, and I've gotten sick. I felt like I started getting sick yesterday, but now it's like fully. I've got a cold, runny nose, I'm super duper tired, and my head is like hurting a little bit, and there's so many people here that are ill just like me, so I mean it's fine, but it's still a bit tiring. Oh my god, it looks like I've got super big bags under my eyes, probably because I do. But I'm meeting my friend Amy for fika. If you know that word, then you're a loyal subscriber, and if you don't, then you need to watch my other videos, girl, because I use it a lot. Fika is just when you go out, you eat a cake, have a drink, it's good times. So I'm gonna see Amy and we're gonna do that. My camera's blinking and I'm out of breath because I'm sick. But I've got work tomorrow at 7 AM, but tomorrow I'm only working 5 hours, so it's cool. So it was so nice meeting Amy. Now I'm home and it's like 10 o'clock and I think I'm gonna go to bed. Maybe watch a few YouTube videos because I'm so tired and I have work early tomorrow, but I just want to show you the kittens because they're so cute. So yeah, if you haven't watched my last vlog, watch it because I was filming before she gave birth and then after, and it was just like, you see the whole journey of her getting her babies. Obviously I didn't film when she got her babies because I didn't actually watch, but in that video I explain it all about the kittens, so check that one out if you haven't. But I'm just gonna show you the kittens, they're so cute. It's Friday today and I'm home from work. It's 2:30. Today I actually feel like it's like my cold's getting worse and I feel like I've got a fever. But good news is I'm seeing my friends tonight, even though I'm sick, but I haven't seen my friends for ages and I miss them so much. And it's raining outside. It hasn't been raining, I kid you not, probably for a month or longer. Rained a tiny bit this morning, but now it's actually raining a lot, and I heard thunder, so that's cozy. I like thunder. I don't know if you can tell, but our grass is so dry, and it's even more dry in other places. It's actually not as bad here as it is in most of the other places. You probably can't see that it's raining right now, but it is. The grass is literally like a desert in most places. And I'm gonna show you the kittens. Oh my god, look at that one. Look at them. Look at those two, the black one and the grey one. If you have name suggestions, please let me know. And look at that. Look at the paws. Oh my god, they are so cute. They are so cute, Selma.
Here you can see that it's been raining, and it is currently raining. Yes! I honestly feel like a California person just because I'm so happy that it's raining. I'm with these babes, and we're taking some pics. Louise, we want a room tour.
Okay. Nej men låt mig städa, vänta pausa.
Okay.
So, this is my room. It's very small, I live in a shoebox. I bought this one from Louisiana. This is my closet, it's really messy, so I won't really show you that much.
We helped you clean it once.
We did. This is my bed. This is my lovely bed. So,
beautiful.
Yes. This is my plant that I've been nurturing for 3 years. The bed stand is kind of ugly. It's really, it's nothing special. This is my vanity area, I guess. I don't really have a vanity, but yeah. Storage, books, a nice vase. I love this vase.
Oh,
I
pretty.
thrifted it for like £3.
Oh.
So, like an orange. This is my gorgeous poster I bought in Amsterdam with Becca from the Phone Museum. This is my window, which is really easy to sneak out of if you want to. But I have cactuses.
Have you ever?
I have.
Oh, a bad gal.
These are my postcards, and this is the flower I got from him in Prague.
Oh.
I don't know, this is my vase. The stuff I'm gonna have when I move out. So I have a hairdryer, a cloth, some gorgeous plates.
They're nice.
A champagne glass.
Essential.
A nice pot.
Oh, that's from H&M Home.
Yeah, that was my birthday present from Becca and Martha and Amelia. Thank you.
And her Instagram will be on the screen, so follow her, she's amazing. It was a good room tour.
Was it really?
This is dresses from Sappho. It will be in a haul.
Lovely. Little Becky. My best friend.
My best friend.
I love you.
I love you too.
My man.
Oh, Lola has this a celeb
I
crush.
have a celeb crush. Look at him. Look at that. Kolla.
Oh my god.
Alltså, look at that. When we be the cutest couple.
Det är lite så här Borns, eller?
Ja. Alltså, look at him. Top notch. Danny Lomas, if you know me.
Ja, han kommer verkligen titta på det här. He's my biggest fan, I know it. Playground. Wow, parkour. Younow. Oh my fucking god. A strapper and her action. A strapper in action. Oh my fucking god. What happened? Kom igen då. Men herregud. Hi everyone, so it's the next day and I didn't really vlog much last night. I just vlogged before we went out, and yeah, we had a really fun time. I actually ended up sleeping at my friend's house because she lives in town. I was sleeping at Martha's house. You all know who Martha is by now. And we actually got back quite late, like I was expecting, getting home at like 12 because I didn't think it would be like a really you know, partyish night, but it did turn out to be. So we got home at like 2, and then today I got here at like 12ish. I've just been editing all day. I finished editing one video, now I'm gonna start editing a vlog. Last vlog, not this vlog. And I made some banana pancakes. I've been chilling with the cat. Oh, the cat's like the kittens. I love them so much. I'm going to show you them again because they've grown so much. Like, they grow so quickly. And yeah, it's their 3rd day alive. So they're 3 days old only. Wait, they were born on the 11th of July at like 5 AM. And I know which order they came in because I was there to witness it. And I think I showed you guys in the vlog as well. Yeah, they were born on the 11th, so... Oh, today's their 4th day. And last time when we had the kittens, apparently one started opening, one on her 3rd day, but that's really early. It says it takes like 7 to 10 days until they've got their eyes open, so that's really cute. Yeah, I'll show you them soon, but I'm just editing right now. And yeah, I didn't finish my last sentence, but I had banana pancakes with peanut butter, whipped cream, and what else do I have on them? Syrup and an iced coffee. And last night at like 2 AM me and Martha ate a veggie burger and some fries each, so that was nice. I've got this really mean spot, like, what do you want from me? What do you want from me? I need to show you the position the little beige one is. Look at it, it's so cute. We still don't know if they're boy or girl, so that's why I just keep calling them it. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm calling your babies it. And I also posted on Instagram like a name suggestions post, so you guys are sending me so cute names. Look at his little mouth, his or her. Oh fuck. Oh my god. So we have a hedgehog in our garden, and because it's been like so dry and we've had like no rain until like today, there was a little bit of rain. The hedgehogs are so hungry, and we found one in our garden, so we put out some water and some food, and it's been munching on it. And I'm gonna see if I can get it on film. Okay, it's over there. Damn it, I can't see its face, but it's been eating anyway. So right now it's Monday and me and Mum are at the lake that I always like to go to, and we're just swimming because it's so hot, and I'm reading a new book that my friend Martha borrowed me, and it's called Good Girl, but I'm reading the Swedish version, but there is a English version, I think. Yeah, so that's what I'm reading. I've just started reading it though. Hi everyone, I look and sound like shit, but I just had a shower. And today it's Monday the 16th of July, and me and my friend Amy are heading to the beach because it's going to be like 30 degrees today again. So first of all we're going to this food shop to get snacks and food, and I haven't had breakfast, so I'm going to get breakfast. It's 9 o'clock right now, so yeah, that's why I look like this, because I just showered and hurried up. We've got the goods. Yay. So we're here now, and it's really nice. It's like a little, it is the sea, but it's in a little, I don't know, it's kind of secluded from the sea, so I guess it'll be a bit warmer. And because there's no like sand here, the water's really clear. And it's deep and it's clear, as you can see, and it looks like greeny blue, so that's lovely. And it's like 30 degrees. People normally come in and jump off the cliffs, but me and Amy are too scared to do that, so we're just gonna walk in down here. Too bad I didn't bring my GoPro. Oh well. We're gonna swim now because we're so hot. We walked like 20 minutes to get here. So we just went swimming and it was so nice. I've got my Sappho bikini on, and with us we've got, I bought a yogurt. I've got a Starbucks latte. I love these. I got a corny bar. I got an apple, and then I got 2 nectarines. We got some cookies, yummy yummy, and then we got each one of these. I got this voice message on Snapchat from a girl who's 16 and really loves my channel, and it's just the sweetest thing ever.
I'm obsessed with your personality, I'm obsessed with your intelligence, and I'm obsessed with the way you talk to people. You're like, I really like,
this is so sweet. I've already listened to it once, but I just wanted to like show you guys because it's so sweet. And I do look at every single thing you guys send me on Snapchat because I have it open so you can send me stuff, and I look at everything and I try to reply to as much as possible, and it just makes me so happy. You guys are so cute, so thank you. I love you so much. And the kittens have grown a lot, so I'm going to show you them soon.
So I've been to work now, I just got back. I'm gonna eat something before I go and meet my friend Amelia, and the cats have gotten so big now, as you can see. They're like, the stripy one has opened its eyes fully, and the other ones have all started opening their eyes, so that's super sweet. I think we're gonna call this one Bailey because of the colour. Look at you. This is honestly the sweetest thing. Look at its eyes. Baby. Oh my god, baby. So cute. So cute. Oh, yes, you can put you back to your friends. Put you back to your friends. I forgot to vlog, but me and Amelia are at Espresso House. We've been here for a few hours. Got here at like 5 and now it's 8 o'clock. They're closing in an hour, so we're gonna have to leave. But we're just planning for our trip that we're gonna do next year. It's good times. I had a mocha iced latte, it was so good, and now I'm gonna have a chocolate muffin. So yeah.
Beat